Hi, my name is Dr. Christofer Fort. I'm a doctor of medicine and primary care physician. I'm the owner of Old Oak Primary Care. It's a primary care office I opened last year. And when I was opening, I knew I wanted a website for the business, and I really wasn't sure where to go. I had posted some things online and got quotes for $100 all the way up to $20,000, and I really didn't know kind of where to go with it. And a friend of mine put me in touch with Mike Kuzma from UAscend, and we sat down, talked about the different things he could offer, and I accepted. And we sat down with Mike and Bill and talked about what I wanted the website to do, what I wanted it to kind of feature, and I just really wanted it to look really professional. And after the meeting, sitting down with Bill and Mike, within a few weeks, had a gorgeous website, made all the edits and changes that we needed, and the people love it. Anytime I show somebody the website, they are just amazed at how professional, how good it looks, and ask me, who did this, and give me their information. So I definitely recommend them if that's something you're thinking about doing, is producing a website for your business, healthcare business, or any business really. Currently, I'm discussing with Mike the next step, which is kind of search engine optimization. My website does rank highly on Google. I get a lot of traffic, I get a lot of calls, I get a lot of new patients, so it's paid for itself within a few months. Now just looking to do the next step and get in on some search engine optimization. So definitely recommend Mike and UAscend for any website needs. Even if you have an existing website that you really don't think is fitting the bill, they can revamp that or create you something new that's really going to work for your business. Otherwise, thank you, and again, can't recommend them enough.